You've noticed cut quality of your mower has decreased. Let's start off with a couple things to check. First off, tire pressure. Are all the tires sitting at 12 psi? We can't get a good quality of cut if the mower itself is not level. 2, belt tension. Belt tension is outlined in your owner's manual. It needs to be in the range specified. Otherwise, you have blades slipping and not cutting grass. 3, engine RPM. Make sure you're running at max throttle during cutting. 4, a level deck. Leveling the deck is outlined in the owner's manual as well. The deck must be level or pitched accordingly for the best quality of cut. 5, blade sharpness. If you're not sure of the condition of your blades, put new blades on. We need a nice sharp edge for the best cut quality. Number 6, slow the machine down. You could be cutting too fast for the conditions. Number 7, let's check the underside of that deck and make sure it's clean. Accumulation of grass clippings can change the aerodynamics. If you've tried all the steps listed and you're still having cut quality issues, contact your local Bad Boy dealer to set up an appointment to get it corrected.